So yeah, I'm from North Carolina. I grew up in a little town called Franklinton. It's a lot of country area. So I did a lot of farming and a lot of mechanical work with my father and my grandpa. So they taught me a lot of stuff, a lot of hands-on work and getting greasy and everything. So I think that what got me interested in like going into a trade. And welding, I always had a fascination about welding, and I wanted to experience that. I was going to college, but like I said again, I didn't want to spend 4 years going to a university, paying so much money. And I thought it's a better way, having a good living. And so I got in contact with my friend. He told me about Tulsa Welding School, and I said, yeah, like, how can I get started? I'm ready to go now. So he told me what I had to go through. Ever since then, it was rolling. I went to, for Tulsa Welding School, I've been there for 7 months. It really went by fast. Every day just go by like an instant, like a snap of a finger. So it went by very fast, but I enjoyed every bit of time I was down there, so. So once I graduated Tulsa Welding School, I started working at W International. So it went by pretty fast. A job that's willing to help me relocate, and me having a cousin coming down with the Tulsa Welding School with me and going through the program with me, and even also come to W International with me, having some family down here, it really helps out. And like, I've been knowing my cousin all my life. He's pretty much like a brother to me. And I'm very fortunate of being down here in Charleston. Charleston is beautiful. If you want to go to the beach, you just about like 15 minutes away to going to the beach. So, you know, and you got a lot of nice people around Charleston. It's a very nice place. I'm really fortunate for this. Before I got into welding, I really didn't think welders was much important as they are now, because I was younger. But now that I'm in the field and I'm welding, and I see like how much welders do an impact on the world, like building bridges, putting the car parts together, building submarines and ship parts and stuff like that. Welders are like a big impact on our community. Welding is a good trade to get into. Like I say, you can do a lot of things in welding. It offers so much. And that knowledge that you learn from welding, it can never get taken away from you. That's something that you know how to do. Like I say, for welding, that's a good trade to get into. Like, I never thought that I would be at where I am today, especially when I was in high school. When I found out about welding, it's one of the best things that I could have done for myself. It's amazing. It really is. So, and right now, I still don't get to just like I really like did this for myself. And I really went through my 7-month program at Tulsa Welding School, not knowing how to weld. And now I'm here and I'm knowing something that I enjoy and I love to do, that I always want to learn. And now that I'm mastering it, and like, I gotta congratulate myself, and you know, and it's pretty amazing, sir. I'm very thankful for my parents for pushing me for all these years to get into where I'm at, and always having my back when I got low. So, and I'm very thankful for my cousin for coming with me. He really helped me out a lot more than he knows. And I'm very grateful for going to Tulsa Welding School. They helped set the foundation for me to be a master welder in my upcoming future, and help me learn how to weld. And I want to thank everybody for that who supported me through this long journey, and I'm very grateful. My name is Jabari Montague, and I'm very proud of being a Tulsa Welding School graduate.